Lecture 1, Introduction to Food Safety and Hygiene. Welcome to the course on food safety, hygiene, and sanitation. In today's global food system, ensuring that food is safe, clean, and fit for consumption is one of the most important public health priorities. Every day, millions of people consume food without knowing where it came from, how it was processed, or how safe it is. This course is designed to provide you with a deep understanding of the principles, practices, and regulations that ensure food safety, hygiene, and proper sanitation across the entire food chain. In this first lecture, let us define some key terms. 1. Food safety. Food safety refers to the practices and conditions that preserve food quality and prevent contamination that could cause foodborne illnesses or other hazards. It ensures that food is free from harmful bacteria, chemicals, or physical agents at every stage, from production to consumption. 2. Food hygiene. Food hygiene involves all measures necessary to ensure the cleanliness of food, food premises, and equipment. It includes personal hygiene, proper cleaning and sanitizing procedures, and safe food handling practices. 3. Food security versus food safety. Food security ensures that all people have access to sufficient, safe, and nutritious food. Food safety ensures that this food is not harmful to health. Thus, a community can be food secure but still face major food safety issues if the available food is contaminated or poorly handled. Lecture 2, The Food Chain, from Production to Preparation. Understanding food safety means understanding the entire food chain, from farm to table. 1. Food chain defined. The food chain consists of interconnected stages including production, farming, fishing, animal husbandry, harvesting, handling and storage, processing and packaging, transportation, retail and catering, preparation and consumption. At each point in this chain, there is potential for contamination if hygiene and sanitation measures are not properly applied. 2. Key hazards in the food chain. Biological, bacteria, viruses, parasites, molds. Chemical, pesticides, food additives, cleaning agents. Physical, glass, metal fragments, stones, or hair. 3. Critical control points. Food safety authorities use hazard analysis and critical control points (HACCP) systems to identify stages in the food chain where controls can prevent or eliminate hazards. Lecture 3, Food Production, Handling, and Transportation. Let us now examine how food safety is impacted at each early stage of the food chain. 1. Food production. Good agricultural practices, GAP, are critical. Avoid using untreated sewage or contaminated water for irrigation. Protect crops and animals from chemical contaminants and zoonotic diseases. 2. Food handling. Proper food handling is essential in preventing cross-contamination. Separate raw and cooked foods. Wash hands, surfaces, and utensils regularly. Use clean water and wear protective clothing. 3. Transportation. Food must be transported in sanitary, temperature-controlled vehicles. Cold foods must remain below 5 degrees Celsius. Hot foods should be above 60 degrees Celsius. Time and temperature control is key to preventing bacterial growth. Lecture 4, Storage and Preparation of Food. Storing and preparing food correctly is critical to preventing spoilage and illness. 1. Food storage. Foods should be stored in designated areas, protected from pest and contamination. Follow FIFO or first in, first out rule to minimize waste. Store raw and cooked food separately. Temperature control. Refrigerated storage, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Frozen storage, -18 degrees Celsius or below. Dry storage, cool, dry areas for grains, canned goods. 2. Food preparation. Thorough cooking kills harmful pathogens, e.g., 70 degrees Celsius internal temperature for poultry. Avoid cross-contamination by using color-coded cutting boards and knives. Maintain clean hands, utensils, and surfaces during food prep. 3. Safe water use. Only potable water should be used for cooking and washing. Contaminated water can introduce bacteria like Salmonella or E. coli. Lecture 5. Food processing environment and sanitary requirements. The environment where food is processed must be meticulously clean and well designed to minimize contamination. 1. Design of food premises. Food processing facilities should have smooth, easy to clean floors and walls. Adequate ventilation. Drainage systems. Hand washing stations. The layout should allow for a logical flow of operations from raw materials to finished products. 2. Sanitation protocols. Cleaning should be routine and documented. Surfaces must be sanitized using approved disinfectants. Regular pest control and waste management are vital. 3. Health and hygiene requirements for food handlers. Medical examinations for staff handling food. Use of personal protective equipment, PPE, aprons, gloves, hairnets. Training in hand washing, cough etiquette, and illness reporting. Exclusion of sick workers from food handling areas. Failure to meet these standards can lead to mass outbreaks of foodborne diseases. Lecture 6. Food spoilage, preservation, and poisoning. 1. Food spoilage. Spoilage is caused by microbial activity, e.g., mold, bacteria. Enzymatic action, e.g., fruit ripening and rotting. Chemical reactions, e.g., fat oxidation. Physical damage, e.g., bruising or exposure to air. Signs include bad odors, discoloration, texture changes, slime or mold. 2. Food preservation techniques. To extend shelf life and safety. Thermal processing, pasteurization, sterilization. Cold storage, refrigeration, freezing. Drying, sun drying, dehydration. Chemical preservatives, salt, vinegar, nitrites. Fermentation, increases acidity, preventing pathogen growth. 3. Food poisoning and infections. Foodborne illnesses are caused by bacteria, Salmonella, Listeria, E. coli. Viruses, norovirus, hepatitis A. Parasites, Giardia, tapeworms. Prevention. Cook food thoroughly. Store at proper temperatures. Avoid cross-contamination. Practice hand hygiene. Lecture 7. Control measures and summary. Let's summarize some key control measures to ensure food safety and sanitation. Implement good manufacturing practices, GMP. Follow HACCP principles. Maintain clean, well-designed food premises. Ensure training and hygiene of food handlers. Enforce proper storage and preparation standards. Use effective preservation and disinfection methods. White Heavy Checkmark Module 1 Summary. In this module, we explored 1. The core concepts of food safety, food security, and hygiene. 2. The food chain and key points where contamination may occur. 3. Importance of safe production, handling, and transport. 4. Sanitary requirements in processing environments. 5. Health and hygiene expectations for food handlers. 6. Methods to prevent spoilage, preserve food, and control food poisoning. With this foundation, we are ready to transition into Module 2, where we'll focus on food quality control, regulatory frameworks, licensing, capacity building, food hygiene education, and inspection protocols.